Okay, so if you purchase this and you want to scan this QR code, it won't scan like regular stuff. So you have to get this app right here. It's called Transparency. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and get it in the App Store. And then you can just come in and you can scan this stuff right here. You follow me? Oh, look, it's wanting to know my language. I think we got it anyway. We'll see. There it is. So now, if you want, you can get all the information instead of trying to read it off the back of the thing. So it tells you everything about this universal garage door opener keypad. And it's good for the Craftsman, and that's what we got. And we got the one that has the orange Learn light, so I got to press it 3 times in here, and it's going to tell you how to do it. So over here is the guidelines, and if you click here, you're going to get a PDF. And if you can't read it, what you can do is just get bigger on it like this. So here's the step 1. Press and hold the star and the pound button. It's going to blink, and then it's going to stay solid. Once it does that, you let go. Now, step 2 is you're going to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, and then you have to press the pound button. Okay, that's that thing there. All right, and then we go over here, and then you're going to go to this, and you're going to read about what garage door opener you got. Now, we've got the Craftsman, and it's orange on our Learn light usually. So I got to do 3 presses, okay? So I'm going to be doing 3 presses. So then you're going to exit that program with this hitting the 0, and then you're going to come in here and you're going to press the Learn button on the garage door, and it's going to turn, you know, for us, it's going to turn orange. And the Learn light will light for about 30 seconds. In that time, what you're going to do is enter your 4-digit personal identification number programmed in step 2, and then you're going to press and release an enter button. Then you're going to press and release the enter button until the garage door opener lights flash or 2 clicks are heard. All right, so my machine only really gave me 1 click, but anyway, just remember, you've got to press and release it. So you press and release it. All right, then to test it, you just put your pin in and you see if it works, and if it does, you're good. So that's basically how you do it. And then there's a different type of programming too. You can go through, but most of them you're going to use basically these 7 steps that are in the app, and it makes it easier while you're doing it. You can read it off your phone. All right, so yeah. If you get this, you got to download this app, and I'm sure they're just scraping all of our data right to China. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to open up your garage. Peace out.